equestrians, and I have a fun video for you today. I got some halter nameplates and I'm going to attach them to some leather halters that I bought for my horses. These are the leather halters I bought. I got them at Dover Saddlery for $29.99. They are the Suffolk brand halters, and I also got the nameplates from Dover Saddlery, and they were $15.95 a piece. And this is something I've always wanted to do, so I thought I would share with you how easy it is to attach nameplates to horse halters. It's not hard at all, even if you don't have a leather punch. So the first thing I wanted to do was figure out where I was going to put the plate on the halter and which direction I was going to have his name go, either starting like how it is or if it was going to be opposite. And after I figured out where I wanted the halter plate to go, I took a silver Sharpie because that was easy, so I could see the marks that I'm going to make. And after getting the halter plate where I want it to be, I just marked the holes on the leather halter with the Sharpie. This way I can see where I'm going to be drilling the holes for the rivets that go on the nameplate. And then I took a drill with a small drill bit, yes, I said a drill, and I drilled through the leather. This is where the rivets will attach the halter plate to the halter. I don't have a leather hole punch, that's why I had to use a drill, but the drill worked just fine. And then once I had the holes in the leather, it was time to attach the nameplate to the halter. And thankfully the nameplate came with the rivets. This is what's going to attach the plate to the leather. And I just took the long rivet and put that through, and then the little short piece, I put that on the back. And then I put the halter on a solid surface and used a hammer and just hammered the top piece of the rivet to the bottom piece, and then it's connected. And then I just duplicated the process for the second hole, attaching the nameplate with the other rivet. And then I gave it a couple more whacks with the hammer just to make sure it was secure. And voila! I have a personalized halter for Frisbee. And it's beautiful, and I'm so happy, and it was so easy. Very happy. Very happy. And now this is the speeded up version doing the same thing with Ethan's halter. It really is easy. I didn't realize how easy this was. And now Ethan's halter is done. And I have beautiful personalized leather halters for my horses. This is so cool. I am so happy with how these turned out. So happy. Can you tell? And now these are the ponies modeling their beautiful new leather halters with their names on them. I think they turned out pretty good. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots of other DIY videos, and I'll see you in the next video.